Let's start with the gate questions that earlier came to your examination. So just see the type of question that is in front of you and try to solve these questions by your own first and then see the solution. Okay. So here is the first question. If the selling price is tripled, the cost price is doubled, but the profit would become 65%. What is the present profit in percentage? Okay. Suppose there is a object of 100 rupees. Okay, and the cost price is doubled, means two times, and the selling price is tripled. So selling price you don't know. Let's suppose keep it at x, right? Tripled, the profit would become 65%. What is the present profit percentage? Okay, so 65%, so it is 200. So you have to calculate 65% of this, means more. Profit is generally more. So 165 by 100. So you will come to know the cost price. Okay, this comes out to be cost price. Selling price you will come to know that is 330. 330, right? So 330, and how much it is? Three times, right? Three times. So what that means? One product is how much? Of how much? 110 rupees, right? Because this is three times x, right? Three times x. So you got this value as 330. So now you can find out the value of selling price. So what was it? 110. So 100 rupees was initial you consider as cost price, and I told you to multiply two times because it is told to you the cost price is two times. So 100 rupees was the cost price and selling price is 110. So how much he is gaining? 10 rupees he is gaining, right? And in how much he invested from his pocket? 100 rupees. So 100 by 10 by 100, that is equal to 1 by 10, and in percentage into 100, so this will comes out to be 10%. So option number 4 is the right answer. Everything is simple, just you need to make things simple. Don't try to do 2 times cp equal to 3 times. Just assume a number, solve it in the way I did. Okay, if the cost price is rupees 150 less than the selling price and the profit is 20%, then what is the selling price in rupees? Very simple question. If the cost price is 150 less than the selling price, is the difference between cost price and selling price is how much? 150 rupees, right? And the profit is 20%, and this is how much? 20% profit. So how much is will be the 10% of it? If you won't able to do this much also, then there is no need to go for gate examination, right? So 10% will be 75, right? 10% will be 75. And what is asked to you? What is the selling price in rupees? So you know that 20% is how much? 150. So to make it 100, you have to multiply it by 4. This also by 4. So 150 into 4, that comes out to be 900. 300, 600, sorry. 600, right? 600, and this comes out to be 80. No, you have to multiply it by 5, sorry, because you know that this is 20%. So to make it 100%, how for you have to multiply it by 5. So 150 into 5, that comes out to be 750. So 750 is the cost price, right? You have to find out what is the selling price. So selling price is 150 more. So adding 150, that comes out to be 900. So option number 4 is the right. Next question. On a certain item, profit is 150%. If the cost price is increased by 25%, what will be the new profit margin in the percentage? So suppose the cost was 100 rupees, earlier cost price, and the cost price is increased by 25%, means the new cost price is 125. On a certain item, profit was 150, means earlier how much it was? 150% means what? 100 you have already, and 150% profit means what? Plus 150, right? So 250% is gaining. right? Actually, so 100 into 250 upon 100. When you solve this, you will get the selling price, that is 250. So the selling price is 250. Okay, okay, right? And the cost price is increased by 25. What will be the new profit margin? So how much he is gaining now? He is gaining 125 rupees. And how much he invested for that? 125 rupees he is investing from his pocket. So actually he is getting how much profit margin now? He is getting 100% profit margin. Okay, so this how you need to solve. Simple. Next question. Peter buys a bike at a price of rupees 27.50. After some days, he sell it at the price of rupees 28.90. What is the percentage of his gain? Very simple. Very simple. You can see this type of question also come. This type of question generally come for 1 marks. So 28.890 is selling, and this is your selling price. This is your cost price, right? So how much he is gaining? How much he is gaining? You can simply calculate it. 28.90 minus 27.50. So this comes out to be 1.4. He is gaining 1.4 rupees, and how much he is investing from his pocket? 28.9 rupees he is investing from his pocket. So 1.4 divided by 28.9. So you will get to know the overall uh, profit percentage. This is your selling price, sorry, this is your cost price. So he is, how much he is investing from his pocket? 27.50. So 1.4 he get as a profit, and how much he is investing from his pocket? 27.50 rupees. So it comes out to be 1.4 divided by 27.50. Cost price means what he is investing from his pocket. This comes out to be 0.05 into 100. This is something around 5.0. So here you can see this is the right option. Very simple question also comes in your GATE examination. Okay, a bookseller gains a profit of 10% after selling a book at the price of rupees 27.5. It sold it at 25.75. Find the percentage of loss or profit on the book. Very simple again. A booksman gains a profit of 10% after selling a book at rupees this much. Okay, if it is sold at 25.75, find out the percentage profit or this. So you know that CP into 10% profit means 100 plus 10. It is 110 upon 100 equal to how much he is gaining? 27.5. So now this is the selling price. You can find out the cost price. So cost price you can find out. So 27.50 into 10 divided by 11. So 25 rupees is the cost price. Means he he is investing 25 rupees, and how much he is now gaining after selling it at 25.75? 0.75 paise he is gaining. How much he is investing? 25 rupees from his pocket. So now you can simply find out 0.75 divided by 25. This comes out to be 3%. So 3% profit he is gaining, right? So 3% is the answer. Simple. A shopkeeper sells an article at a price of rupees 1140 and incurs a loss of 5% on it. For him to gain a profit of 5% on the same article, at what price he must sold it? Simple. He sells means what? At 1140 and incur a loss of 5%. Means 100 he already have, 5% you have to minus because he is getting loss. So if he is selling at 95% of the cost price, he is getting how much rupees? 1140. So 95 by 100, right? This comes out to be 19 by 20 equal to 1140. From this you can find out the cost price of the article, right? So into 20 divided by 19. So the article cost is how much? 1200. So the cost of article, 1200. Now you have to sold it at such a price that you will get how much profit? 5% profit. So this is your cost price. So 1200 into 5% profit means what? 100. He always have 5% profit means plus 5 upon 100. So you can simply do this. So this comes out to be 1260. So your option number 3 is the correct answer. Within fraction you can solve. Within 10 to 15 seconds even you can solve the questions. Alfred buys an old scooter for rupees 4700 and spend rupees 800 on its repair. If he sell the scooter for 5800, his gain percentage is, okay, again very simple. 4700 he brought that scooter and 800 he invested in its repair. So this is his cost price. So you can simply find out 4700 plus 80. This type of question generally come for your 1 marks question. Okay. So when you add this 800 to it, the cost price will be 5500. And how much he is gaining selling it at 5800? So what? How much he is gaining? 300 rupees he is gaining. And how much he invested from his pocket? 5500. So 300 divided by 5500, you will get simply the answer. That comes out to be 5.4545. So you can simply find out from this that this is the right answer. Okay, 5.55 by 11, that comes out to be 4545. Okay, simple. Next question. The cost price of 20 article is same as the selling price of X article. If the profit is 25%, then the value of X. So 20 cost price article is equal to X selling price. So you can simply keep it as X by CP, X by 20, right? If the profit is 20%, 25%, then the value of X is. So how you can find the profit? 20 minus X upon X, right? And this is given to you, this is 25%, means 1 by 4. So you can simply solve this. 20 minus X equal to X, and this 4 goes here. So 80 minus 4X equal to X. So this X comes to this side, 5X equal to 80. Now you can cut it. X value you will get, that is 18. So 18 is the right answer. So which one? Option number 3. Simple. Thank you.